For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a pharmacy business can be a rewarding venture, as it plays a vital role in healthcare by providing essential medicines and health products to the community. With the rapid development of artificial intelligence, many free AI tools are available to help entrepreneurs streamline the process, from market research to business planning and marketing. This guide walks you through a step-by-step process to start a pharmacy business using free AI, helping you save time, reduce costs, and make informed decisions. Step 1. Conduct market research. Before investing in a pharmacy, it's crucial to understand the demand, competition, and customer preferences in your target location. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Bard to assist with market research. These tools can analyze industry reports, summarize market trends, and generate competitor analyses. Prompt suggestion for ChatGPT. Analyze the pharmacy market in your city or region. What are the current trends, major competitors, and customer needs? You can also use AI-powered data visualization tools such as Google Data Studio, free, to organize and visualize data you gather, making it easier to spot opportunities or challenges. Step 2. Develop a business plan. A detailed business plan is essential for guiding your pharmacy startup and attracting investors or loans. Use ChatGPT to draft a comprehensive business plan covering your mission, target market, competitive analysis, operational plan, and financial projections. Prompt suggestion for ChatGPT. Create a detailed business plan for a new retail pharmacy located in your location. Include sections on market analysis, competitive landscape, operations, marketing strategy, and financial forecast. You can then refine this plan by running financial projections through AI spreadsheet tools like Google Sheets enhanced with AI formulas or free budgeting AI apps like PlanGuru. Trial versions may be available. Step 3. Understand legal and regulatory requirements. Pharmacies are highly regulated businesses. Use free AI tools to gather information on licensing, permits, and regulatory compliance specific to your country or state. ChatGPT can summarize government resources or direct you to relevant websites. Prompt suggestion for ChatGPT. What are the legal requirements, licenses, and permits needed to open a pharmacy in your location? Include any specific healthcare regulations. Additionally, tools like government websites with AI chatbots or FAQs, such as the FDA or local health department portals, can provide updated compliance information. Step 4. Choose a location and design your pharmacy. Location is critical for pharmacy success. Use AI-powered mapping and analysis tools like Google Maps and QGIS, open-source GIS software, to analyze foot traffic, accessibility, and competitor locations. Prompt suggestion for ChatGPT. Help me evaluate potential pharmacy locations in your city based on factors like foot traffic, nearby healthcare facilities, and competitor density. Once you select a location, use AI-driven design tools such as Planner 5D or RoomStyler, free versions, to visualize your pharmacy layout. These tools help you create functional and welcoming spaces optimized for customer flow and inventory storage. Step 5. Source suppliers and inventory management. Finding reliable pharmaceutical suppliers is vital. Use AI chatbots to research and list wholesalers, manufacturers, and distributors. You can ask ChatGPT for recommendations on supplier selection criteria and negotiation tips. Prompt suggestion for ChatGPT. List key criteria for selecting pharmaceutical suppliers and how to negotiate favorable terms for a new pharmacy. For inventory management, consider free AI inventory software like Zoho Inventory, Free Tier, or Odoo. These platforms use AI to forecast demand, manage stock levels, and automate reordering, helping you avoid stockouts or excess inventory. Step 6. Hire and train staff. Pharmacy staff must be qualified and trained for legal and operational excellence. Use AI tools to draft job descriptions and interview questions tailored to pharmacy roles. Prompt suggestion for ChatGPT. Create a job description and interview questions for a licensed pharmacist and pharmacy technician for a retail pharmacy. For training, free AI educational platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy offer healthcare-related courses. You can supplement this by creating custom training materials using ChatGPT. Step 7. Develop a marketing strategy. Marketing your pharmacy effectively will attract and retain customers. Use ChatGPT to create a marketing plan that includes digital marketing, local outreach, promotions, and customer loyalty programs. Prompt suggestion for ChatGPT. Create a marketing plan for a new retail pharmacy targeting local customers, including social media, community events, and referral programs. For content creation, AI tools like Canva, free tier, combined with ChatGPT can help design promotional materials, social media posts, and newsletters. Additionally, free social media management tools like Buffer or Hootsuite help schedule and analyze your campaigns. Step 8. Set up financial management and accounting. Efficient financial management ensures profitability. Use free AI-powered accounting software like Wave or ZipBooks that automate bookkeeping, invoicing, and tax preparation. Prompt suggestion for ChatGPT. Explain how to set up accounting and financial management for a small pharmacy business, including key financial reports to monitor. You can also use AI chatbots to create financial forecasts or analyze cash flow trends regularly. Step 9. Launch and monitor your pharmacy business. Once everything is in place, prepare for your pharmacy's opening day. Use AI tools to generate customer feedback forms and automate surveys through Google Forms or SurveyMonkey free plans. ChatGPT can help draft survey questions to gather useful insights. Prompt suggestion for ChatGPT. Create a customer satisfaction survey for a newly opened pharmacy to gather feedback on service and product availability. Regularly monitor business performance using AI analytics dashboards that connect to your sales and inventory data. Adjust your operations and marketing strategies based on insights to improve growth and customer satisfaction. Conclusion. Starting a pharmacy business requires careful planning, regulatory compliance, and effective marketing. Leveraging free AI tools throughout this process can significantly reduce costs, save time, and improve decision-making. From market research and business planning to staff training and financial management, AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Data Studio, and free inventory or accounting software empower you to build a strong foundation. Embrace these technologies to create a pharmacy that meets community needs, operates efficiently, and thrives in a competitive marketplace. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.